y'all doing?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, if you guys can't already tell by the title and thumbnail, we're going to be unboxing my new Nintendo Switch Lite and also doing a little bit of gameplay of Animal Crossing New Horizons. I am so excited because one, I feel like this thing has taken forever to come in the mail. I feel like I've been waiting for so long when it's only been a week. Also, delivery, I don't want to talk about it. I literally tracked that bitch since the moment I woke up. So it like literally like just came in like a couple minutes ago. Okay, so make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are excited to see Animal Crossing and the Switch and all that. Comment down below more video ideas you guys want to see me do. And also make sure to follow me on the socials and that'd be greatly appreciated. So let's just get started with the unboxing. I already opened it to obviously make sure you know it's the right, you know. We got 80% off HelloFresh. This one. And the baby. So I got, alright, this better focus because freak you. I got the Nintendo Switch Lite in gray. So I got this one. So we're gonna unbox this now. I think I'm gonna try to like, you know, bend you guys down so you guys can see the box and not focus on me because this is not about me. I'm not the star of the show anymore. Okay, now let me get started with the unboxing. So I got these to go on those little thingies. I don't know what they're called. Then I got a clear sparkly case, both from Amazon. I'll link them, I guess, if you guys want to get them. So this is it. Okay, let's open it because let's do this. I'm excited. Ow. Okay, we're starting off great. I can't open up the box. Oh my god, you guys have no idea how excited I am. Okay. I'm gonna have to fix the setup eventually. But let's put all the fun stuff on it. I can't get it on.
A few inches later.
This is my case. It's just on the back, you can really see it. It's sparkly. Okay. I think I got it on. Yeah. This is the Switch. So now I'm going to switch the angle so you guys can actually see it, and then we're gonna get started on playing the game. Okay. Oh, that. Oh, wait. I'm gonna cut this out. Oh my god, I'm dyslexic. I need to make sure I'm holding it good so you guys can see. Okay. Okay. Where do I live? Time zone? I don't even know what my time zone is. Not bad. Is that the same thing? Don't ask me. The user will be added to the console. Okay. Import data from another console. I'm just gonna create. More options. This is like super important. I think I'm gonna go with Okay, so it has to update. Oh, is that it? That was it? That was the update? I mean, press this on the button 1, 2, 3. Okay, is that it? Shop album controller, system settings. Okay, how do I log in? Oh, okay. I'm like really slow today, guys, so I apologize. I'm also signing with my phone. "27 minutes. Oh my god. Oh, it's touchscreen. I don't know why I thought it wasn't. Okay, I'm gonna come back when this is done. Bye. Okay, time to play. That was the timer to mean that it's done downloading. And it is. Also downloading Fortnite because my friend is making me. But let's get into Animal Crossing. I'm gonna pass out. Oh my god. Yes. I'm gonna freak out. Hi, you guys can see the phone. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the YouTube video because my phone is a piece of shit and I hate it so much. Not my phone, my other phone. But, so, you guys didn't get like the intro, like when we're in the airport and it's all cute and whatever, and they're asking me questions, I like make my character, all that, choose the island. I didn't do that because my phone wants to run out of storage literally every single second. I restarted because I didn't like any of the islands. I'm so happy I did because guys, I literally got the fruit I wanted and the color of the airport I wanted. I can't believe that I literally can't record it because like this sucks. Also, I don't like one of the villagers I got. He's a little weird looking. He's a chicken, but the other one looks kind of cute. So yeah, I hope I can record soon.